Okay. So we're going to make a weather data bar graph, and we're going to use our morning sheets to do it. We're going to start on April the 8th, which is a what? It's a Monday. Good job. So on Monday, can anybody tell me what the weather was like? It was sunny? Everybody in agreement? All right, so I'll mark sunny. All right, let's find the next day, which is what, the 9th? Let me know when you have the 9th. It was rainy? It was rainy on the 9th. All right. What about the 10th? What did we have on the 10th? It was sunny? You have sunny? What about you? You have sunny? Let's see. Yep, you do. You got sunny. Good job. We're looking for those pages. See, sunny. So now we have two what? Sunnies. All right, let's see. Where were we at? The 11th. Let's see what we have. What do we have for the 11th, which is Thursday, the 11th of April? What do we have? We got rain again? Do we have rain? Do you have rain marked on yours for the 11th? All right, what about the next day? The 12th. Sunny. Anybody else agree with him? You got sunny? You got sunny? Oh, I think sunny's winning. We like sunny days, don't we? All right, well, that was a Friday, right? The 12th. So then we have the weekend. Are we here on the weekends? So we have no data for the weekend. How about we try the 15th? What do we have? It was sunny on the 15th. Sunny? What about you? Sunny? All right, the 16th. What do we have for the 16th? What about the 16th? What do you have? You got sunny again? What about you? 16th. Vincent's got cloudy for the 16th. Check back a day. What does yours say, bud? You got sunny? Oh, yeah, that's that one. Let's see. Vincent's got cloudy. What do you have, Micah? You have cloudy? You have cloudy too. Okay, so at the moment, I have a question. What do you guys see happening? What's happening? Are we noticing a trend? It does change. What else are you noticing? Is there one that's kind of higher up than the other ones? And then we have some that nothing happens at all, right? How often do you think we get snow in Alabama? Especially in the springtime? It's very rare, which is our word. Good job. I like it, Vincent. Good choice of words. It's rare. It doesn't happen often. It's not that it never happens, but most likely not. Okay, let's try the next day, the 17th. Let's see if that sun's going to win out. I think it's going to win. It's been very sunny out. Let's see the next one. Jim Morgan. That's a good picture of the weather. You say sunny? What is it? Tell me, what is that? Sunny. I have 2 Sunnies. Do I have a third? Do I have a third Sunny? We do. Congratulations, Sunny. We have another one. So, let's go to the next day. Go to the 18th. See, this is another reason we guys ask you to take record of the weather. See, it's coming in handy. We can go back and we can use it to chart data to see what the weather's like outside. What's something else we could do with the weather that we could check in our morning work for? How about maybe the temperature? We could chart what the temperature is. If it's cold, if it's warm, if it's hot. Oh, what's that one? Sunny. Sunny? Sunny? Is everybody agreeing? Sunny. Yes. Look at the sunny go. All right, let's go to the 19th. Cloudy. Cloudy. What you got, bud? Okay, we got 2 cloudies and a sunny. So I'm going to go with majority on this one and say cloudy. Now, if it was cloudy outside and somebody in our class says that it's sunny, could it have been sunny when they looked outside if it was cloudy that day? Yes, because when it's cloudy, sometimes the clouds move and you can see the sun, right? So that's one that could definitely be a little mixed up, right? All right. So that runs into another weekend, right? And that brings us to today, which is the 22nd. Can somebody tell me what it's doing outside today? It is sunny. Does anybody else notice anything that's been going on other than sunny today? I just saw it when I looked outside. It's a little chilly, but it's also what? What's making it cool? What's blowing? It's windy. The wind's blowing, which has brought the temperature down quite a bit, which is why we've all brought out our what? Our long sleeve shirts and our sweatshirts again.
Teacher Sunny Eruption. This is last call for any juniors or seniors who purchased the yearbook and want to pick it up. There will be no more pickups after advisement today, so please make sure if you bought one and you want to pick it up today, you come now. Juniors and seniors only. And if you're not sure if your parents bought you one, check with them or you can come by the library. Thanks.
Okay, so let's count. For Sunny, we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. How many cloudy?
1, 2, 3.
What about windy?
1,
And rainy?
1.
Now, can anybody tell me what's happened the last couple weekends? Because it's been kind of cloudy during the week, and then the weekend hits, and what does it do on the weekend? It rains. So we're having rainy weather. It's just not occurring when we're in school, right? So could we keep data over the weekend? How could we keep data? How's a way for us to check data over the weekend? We could do the Weather Channel. We could check the news. Could you guys keep track of it as like a homework assignment? And then when you come in on Monday, we can write down what it is? We could. There's a lot of different things we could do for the weather. But it's springtime. And for the most part, we have a lot of what? We do have a lot of rain, but we also have a lot of what? We just saw it. We just figured it out on here. We got a lot of sun. Have we had any storms lately? No?
Yeah.
Yes, we did.
Mm-hmm.
Saturday.
Just last weekend, it got kind of bumpy, didn't it? We had a lot of thunder and lightning, but this one we can kind of say no to the snow. Is there another one we could add here instead of snow? Fog. Okay. I like it. Could add fog. Because sometimes when it's cool in the morning and then hot in the afternoon, what do we get sometimes? We get some fog. So currently it's sunny and windy, and it's definitely what outside right now? We're all wearing our sweatshirts. It's cool outside, isn't it? It got chilly. So Any questions on the weather and how we took our data today? What's something you could take away from our data sheet today?
Go.
Huh?
Go.
The sun?
That's about so.
Okay. What else can we get from our data sheet?
Fall, storm, rain, wind, cloud, and
Yeah, that we've got different categories. Do you guys like that there's pictures down there to help you show you what it is? Me too. So, do you think we could do this every day, every week, every month? Is there different ways to set this up? Definitely, for sure. Could you add more details? So, like today it's sunny, correct? What else could we add to today? Windy. What else?
storm.
Think chilly, but what? Add more to the chilly. We know exactly what it is outside, don't we? We know the temperature, don't we? So, what's the temperature for today?
46.
I'll say it should be in your book.
Oh, 48.
Huh? What was it?
48.
All right, so we could write that it's 48 degrees outside, right? Feels like it's 45. Do you know why it feels lower than it is? Well, what else? We said it's... So when the wind blows, it makes the temperature feel a lot cooler. Feels like and what the temperature is are two different things. Just like in the summertime, it might say the temperature is 89 degrees, but it feels like 100. When you add in humidity, which is moisture in the air, and either the lack of breeze, which means no breeze, or the more windy it is, it can make it feel different. So today's the temperature is what? 48, but it feels like 45. Now, do you know what the high is for today? 68. So it's this right now, but this afternoon, how many degrees is that it's gone up? Can anybody figure that out for me?
What was it? 50?
Close. You can use your calculator. You can do 68 minus 48 to find the difference. So 68 minus 48. 20 degrees. So it's going to be a 20-degree difference from when we came into school to when we're leaving school. That's a lot, isn't it? So that might be t-shirt weather by the time we get out of here, right? So now when it's cloudy out, it's gone. When it's cloudy out, do you think the temperature is going to be higher or lower when it's cloudy out? It's going to be usually a little bit lower. Why? What's it covering up? It is covering up the sun. So, have any more questions? You got it? All right, so what's something we learned today? Give me one thing you learned today. The weather. What about the weather?